Hi AOS, Chef Zena here. Today we're making another fan favorite that I've had lots of requests for is our marinara sauce. So we're gonna make homemade marinara sauce today. This marinara sauce recipe makes 4 cups of sauce. You will need 1 teaspoon of olive oil, a half of a small diced onion, 1 clove of minced garlic, 3/4 teaspoon of dried basil, 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/8 of a teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 22-ounce of canned crushed tomatoes, 1 15-ounce of canned tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 cup of water, 3 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1/4 teaspoon of red wine vinegar, fresh basil. For tools, you will need a sauce pot with a lid and a spoon. Turn your heat onto medium. Add your olive oil to the pan and warm over medium heat. Our oil is hot, so we're going to add our onions and we're going to saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Add your dried basil, your dried oregano, and your fresh garlic to your pot. Reduce your heat and slowly saute until the onions are translucent. Do not brown your onions. Our onions are translucent. We want to add our brown sugar and our crushed tomatoes. And lastly, our tomato sauce. Remember to scrape your can. Stir your sauce really well and place your lid on top of your pot. Cook your covered sauce over medium-low heat for 1 hour, stirring occasionally. It's been 1 hour, so we want to remove our lid. We want to stir our sauce. We're going to add in our water, and then we're going to add our tomato paste and the red wine vinegar. You want to cook this for an additional 30 minutes. While cooking for your 30 minutes, stir your sauce occasionally. After the 30 minutes, remove from your heat, stir in your fresh basil, and do one last check for salt and pepper. Here's our house-made marinara sauce. Delicious!